Probably know Taiwanese working very crazy day and night. And in all age, we working for striving for living. Now situation improved a little bit, so probably starting to look at something more enrichment. And our community, Taiwanese community here, still follow the same style. Even they are high pay, but still working very long hours. And I think that they are now think about, hey, probably I need a break. And I'm looking for the life enrichment, looking for spirit achievement. So thank you for the opportunity. And thank you for the opportunity to meet our general director, and Mr. Ma. And also, I have small business. And thank you for the opportunity to meet our mayor. I have small business in the Milpitas. I'm currently also the DPP local chapter. You know the DPP? Yeah, DPP local chapter. I'm the local chapter chairperson. And then, if you are interested, because at this moment everybody focus what the election next January. So if you are interested, you are invited to our talent center on November 18, 10:30. We got to invite a few persons to seminar, talk together. We don't have a big movie star, just like the community. If you're interested, you are welcome to join. That's 10:30, November 18 and 10:30, and we provide some diet lunch to share each other.
What is Taiwanese culture? Is it any different? For as an organizer for this art show, it's tough. It's not easy because they're talent, they're artists. So since this year the theme is the sunflower, I do like to share with you a poem that talk about the sun. Okay, and this will show you a little bit different to the Chinese culture and what is different to Taiwanese culture. Most of you know how to read a Chinese poem, poetry, only this way, vertical, right? But the Taiwanese is creative, just like all the artists. Our audio can read it horizontal and article. Like this one, it says, Hayward, morning walker, and climb up the hill and to leading out the sun. Every day I had a morning walk in my neighborhood area, and then while I get home, the sun comes up. So I have my grandson, kids, they ask me, where did you go? I said, I'm proud to him, say, hey, I just went out to wake up the morning sun. That's how I do it. So this poem shows like the ocean wind blew along the hillside, okay? And then you rise from the plain and up to the hills. And while I walk, you see the frightened deer. They are running through the foggy forest. So while I climb up to the hill, and I'm so happy to meet the morning sun. So at this time, I think we'd like to, on behalf of our artists, they have signed their name. This is probably the only one to our guests, and then we get a new picture here. How about come here and everyone. This is where all their art. And so we get a good picture together, and then with their signature. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Let's get a group picture. Thank you. like to come to cut the cake. Monica, not just an artist, she's also a good cook. Yeah, let's come here to cut the cake and then we open the. Thank you. 来，一起来，谁你哦，站着。Check in. Okay, all right. Hảo.我照到你了，我照妈妈。等一下，快点。好。哦，对。照对啊，对，好。好，谢谢。好，谢谢。OK, let's go. 好。哦，这样子。
trọng tài tối nay sau là người ta đón nghe 3 giờ đến 4 giờ. It's about nutrition, it's about spiritual, it's like a natural scale. It's one doctor一定要有光线，还有的话，那光跟盐，就像圣经讲，真的有光这种
我从细汉的就知啦。
然后把去那个点就好了。看没啦？一款是哪一个？一款。看没啦？
啊，伊这张是伊家的。
喜欢哦。我在这就要跟别人。对啊，不要给他听，我讲你也没了。他可以来呢。
六，对。
很老的3了，这